Hey there, it's Jenny. Just a reminder, if you enjoy this video, please leave me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you are not already. I am using the Cocoa Daisy Koi Pond sticker kit this week to plan as I go. These are the Cocoa Daisy's classic vertical inserts. The paper is like butter. I love them so much. The quality of all of the products is fantastic, but these inserts just really, I love them. All right, so I'm going to use these stickers to date the top. I did consider stamping actually, but then I changed my mind at the last moment and decided to just go simple this week and not do any stamping. I'm a few weeks behind in this planner, actually getting closer to a month, which is crazy. That's kind of unheard of for me, or at least in the last few years, but it's all right. I'll get there. No big deal. All right, so I'm going to layer a cluster over here. That rainbow stripe, it's not really a rainbow, but you know what I mean. That stripe sticker is my favorite. I love it so much. So I definitely wanted it to stand out, which is why I did not add any other decorative elements minus that little sticker strip right there. Now down here at the bottom, I'm going to do something ever so slightly different. So I added the little strip, I added the little flower, and then just some bubbles. And again, the bubbles are probably, I mean, this isn't exactly bubbles, but it's probably fish-ish or water-ish, but I don't care. I'm using them how I want to. All right, so now the splatter sticker, I don't love the bamboo. I don't know why, I can't explain it. So I decided that I was just gonna cover it up by simply tilting this other sticker and laying it on top of it and then putting the little flower as well. I really like the combination. It's fun, and it will get more dressed up as we go throughout the week. I'm sure of it. And if not, I'll add something else to it. All right, so I'm starting at Monday. And again, like I said already, I'm behind. So I'm just doing this all at once versus doing it day by day or mostly day by day like I usually do. And I feel okay about that. So I am going to try this week to remember to add decorative stickers in between the activities. I really like how that looks, and I've forgotten to do it the last few weeks, so I'm hoping to remember to do it for the most part this week because, like I said, I like how it looks. Now, this is an ordinary activity. My son had hitting. Nothing extra special about it. But I decided, you know what, I'm going to dress it up a little bit and just use alphabet stickers instead. I love the way that that really sort of gives importance, even though, let's be clear, this is not an important activity. I really probably theoretically should have done it for something actually important, but at the same time, I'm not really sure what that is. Why does one activity have more importance than the other? Anyway, that's a deeper philosophical question, I suppose. But I added that right there, and I love how it turned out. It just really spices things up, but not at all. You know, like the alphabet stickers are not extraordinary. They're perfectly normal. You can get them everywhere, anywhere, and all at once. But I love them right here, and they look great. So now we'll go into Wednesday, and I will keep that bottom section a little bit more clear because as you can see, the alphabet stickers barged right on into that box. So we're going to try to keep it free and clear. So we'll start at the top for the activities today. And actually what I like about that as well is that so Monday and Tuesday, the top box is kind of covered with decorative elements. So I don't want to add more decorative elements to Wednesday. So that makes it serves both purposes, right? So I get the plans up to the top box, and then I get the plans out of the bottom box, or down at the very bottom of the bottom box anyway. Because, you know, Wednesdays tend to be very busy days. Now, I love how that looks. You see that where the stickers are in between the plans? I think it just turns out beautifully. I think it looks so fun. And then you have down there that bamboo. Again, it's still not my favorite accent in the whole world, but I don't mind it on its own versus on that splattered box. There's something about that contrast I just personally wasn't loving, and that's cool, right? That's the benefit of all of these things, is that we can each have favorite parts and not so favorite parts. And the reason I mention these things to you is that you can see and begin to identify the parts that you love, the parts that you don't love, and to give you creative ways to look at these things and figure out how to make them work in your process. And I don't mean use them if you hate them or dislike them. I just mean like, how can you still use something even if there's a part of it you don't like? All right, so look at that. I think that's so cute with all the little decorations in between. It just makes ordinary everyday things seem more special. And I think we all know theoretically that all these ordinary everyday things are supposed to be special, but let's celebrate them. Let's make them more fun. And yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it. It turned out really cute. Now I set it down because I think maybe I had to let my dog out or something, and I forgot to press start again. So you missed out on Friday, but it's all right. I left Friday morning open because I had an idea for something that I wanted to do, and so it made sense to not have any of my plans there. But as you can see, there's nothing else particularly special or different about Friday from the rest of the week. Now, these are some of the new neutral mild liners, and I will tell you, I bought a package from Japan and I bought a package from the United States, and they are different. Like, they're not the same colors at all. So it's very interesting. I'm going to do a swatch, and if I remember, I'll show you on my next planner video the swatches of the ones I got in the United States and the ones that I got from Japan, because they're different, and it's very interesting how that's a thing, right? Now, also, we talked about alphabet stickers, and you know that I write like that, like I did where I wrote Taste of Ramona. You know that I write like that all the time, but look at how it really just shakes things up. It looks different. It doesn't look like everything else. And there's nothing special about it. Again, I wrote it with my own handwriting, but I like it because it stands out a little bit, and it was, in fact, a little bit more important than, say, hitting. But it looks really cute, and it looks really cute to me. You might not think that it looks really cute, but that's the point, right? Is that we don't have to A, all enjoy the same things, and B, it's my planner, and so in your planner you'll put things that you think look really cute. I'm going to use those stickers again to spell out Mother's Day. We had a really nice Mother's Day. It was pretty simple, and I had a great time, and so I definitely wanted to highlight that here. And so that is what I did with the alphabet stickers. But that is it for me. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.